Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you forgot the password or this pattern to log in on your phone. And what you want to do is just simply hold down the power button and continue to hold this down until you see the power option. Then we're going to factory reset our phone, which will allow us to log into our phone and then sign in with their email address and password. Then if you do have any photos you want on your phone, you can plug it into the computer right now and you can copy over all your photos from the DCIM folder on that. And then you should be able to keep all those. Now, what you want to do when your phone is off, hold down the power button and the volume up key right here. And this will launch it into the recovery mode. Now, if you have a Samsung phone, you might have to hold down the Bixby button at the same time, so 3 different buttons. And you can see honor. When the name of the phone goes away, let go of the buttons, otherwise it will restart the phone and you won't see the recovery menu. So continue to hold these down until this goes away. It will be about 10 seconds total. And then we should be able to go to the recovery mode. So I went ahead and let go. Here's the recovery mode. Now to operate the recovery mode, use the volume up button and down button and then the power button to select it. So you can see I can go down by pressing volume down. And we want to go to where it says clear data and then press the power button here. And this will factory reset your phone back to the default, which will allow you to operate your phone like it was new. And then you just simply have to log in to your Google account and you should be good to go, and you should be able to update your contacts through that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.